In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an order form in Tally. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to, of course, go to your dashboard and sign into your account. And then from here, you have two options. You could either start from scratch. So if you click on the home button top left and click on new form over here, it's going to give you an option to start from scratch like this with a click of this button. And then you can just go ahead and start adding these blocks to actually, of course, create a form or a order form yourself. And of course, if you want to know how to do this, I do have a separate video showing you exactly how to create forms and how to use Tally, so you can go and watch that first. Or if you want to be quicker, you could just use a template for a, of course, order form. So that's what I'm going to do right now, because I do think it's the easiest and quickest way and still allows you full customization, and you don't have to do everything from scratch. So I'm going to click on over here where it says use a template. And then from here, what I usually like to do is press Ctrl and F on my keyboard to, of course, pop up this search inside the Chrome, and you want to type in order. And then as you can see, you can just go ahead and basically click on these arrows, and it's going to show you all the things inside templates where essentially there are order forms. Okay, so here we have like a food order form template, we have a merch order form template, and we have one for a team lunch, and then we have one, for example, here for digital products. We have different ones over here as well for like pre-orders, and there's going to be a bunch of different ones. When you scroll down, you'll basically be able to find a lot. Okay, so just scroll down and then just keep on clicking this button, and it's going to find you all of them in here. So for me, there's currently 12, and let's say this is now okay. I'm going to just find a random one over here, and we're going to stick to that. So let's say it's going to be a sales order form template. Okay, let's say this is the most relevant. Of course, you can just find a template which is the most similar to what you're trying to achieve. So I'm going to click on here, and what I'm going to do is just review this. That looks fine for me. I can go and click on next and continue, and then I can just click on continue and basically see how it looks. And then if you're ready, you can click on use this template top right, and there we go. We now have our template over here. And if I go to the home tab, we have the sales order form template in here. I can click on it and edit whatever I want inside it. Okay, so here, of course, you can change this text, so you can just go ahead. You can, of course, change whatever text you want. So if I type in this template is for the tutorial video, for example, like this, as you can see, you can add things over here like company logo, headers, colors, etc. And here you can just change the things that you want to, of course, kind of collect. So by default, we have company names, contact person, etc. And then down here, when they click on the next page, it's going to put them to order details. Here is where they can basically change the things, the items that you want to basically put in here, and the quantities as well. So you can change everything. You can remove some if you don't like them, etc. And then down here towards the very bottom, so if I go over here, let me remove this. There we go. You can then see, of course, you have like different things, and then you can change these. You can change the conditional logic over here if you want to. And then down you have like options where you can see total amounts. You can calculate everything. You can set delivery and payment and stuff like that. Okay, now at the end, of course, people can click on the submit button, and they'll be taken to the thank you page, which can be enabled or disabled. It's up to you. And of course, this can be customized as well if that's something you want to achieve. So that's the easiest way to create an order form in Tally. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.